All right, everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today you see the 4Runner all bonded up, repaired, ready for some lining. I'll go get that in a moment. I just want to reiterate that, I'm doing this in my driveway. The purpose of this channel is not to show you the best possible way to do things. The purpose of this channel is to show people that if you're an ordinary average guy, like the old Eagle song, that you can do this kind of stuff and come up with a reasonable result. I half-assed a lot of this, and I did that intentionally just to show what's possible, So I'm gonna break out the Raptor Liner as soon as this garbage truck goes by. All right, I'm gonna break out the Raptor Liner, I'm gonna reveal the color, and we'll get to spraying it. And this is something that anybody can do at home. I want you guys to at least fast forward to the end result to see what I wind up with before you jump to judgment. I know it's not the way that Chip Foose would have done a Hemi Cuda on overhauling, but this is an 88 4Runner, so it'll be way better than it was. We'll be back. All right, big reveal color is Reflex Blue from Custom Coat. It should be pretty similar to my old FJ, which was Voodoo Blue, I hope. This stuff mixes 3-to-1, so for a 1-quart container, you need 8 ounces of hardener, and then dump in this. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on time lapse and start spraying. All right, folks, there it is, the final product. Again, the color is Reflex Blue. It's Upol Raptor Liner. I have most of the stuff back on, as far as like the trim, the mirrors, that kind of thing. There are 2 little rock chip guards that go on that I'll put back on. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy. It is a little splotchy. That's not your screen. There's flaws, but it's okay. Like right here, it's a little wrinkly. A bug got in it right here somewhere. I can't even see it now. But yeah, I'm very happy with this for what I'm going to do with this, which is drive it back and forth to work in the salt and haul it behind my truck and use it like an ATV. Really happy. So that's pretty much it for this. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer.